y'all. Today, Brother Bart is going to make homemade guacamole. Can't wait to try it.
Homemade guacamole. I love guacamole. And these are all of the ingredients I'm going to use right here. Pepper, salt, onion powder, onion, 1 jalapeno, 1 lime, avocados. First we will deal with the avocados. I almost cut that seed completely in half. Get off of there.
Hey, Brother Bart.
Hold on, I got a hammer. There we go.
We actually have an avocado tree growing outside.
Aren't you special? Okay, so we will first take, kind of squeeze it. Shoot, I didn't even need a spoon really for this. That was neat. I just squeezed all that avocado into the bowl. Throw that over there. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Don't you even think about it. My little helper here sees this avocado falling into the bowl and she thinks she wants to try it. Not happening. Throw that over there. Carry on. Now then, we will mush. We will mush avocado. Mush avocado. All right, now then, the fun part. Where did all my veggies go? Did I bury them? Jalapeno. We'll start with the jalapeno and get it over with. I'm doing a pretty good job of chopping. Finally chopping this jalapeno up.
You are.
Oh, look at there. Just slop it right off in there. Get rid of that. And scoop that up. Slop it right off in there. Scoop up the rest of this jalapeno. And whoop. And it goes. Okay. Onion. We're going to use, I don't know. We'll see how much of this onion we'll use. We're going to use a little bit. I like onion. Actually, that's not true. I love onion. I wasn't thinking about tomatoes. Did they put tomatoes in them at Okay. Give me all right, so I'm going to chop up a tomato and put in here because I don't know what I was thinking. I love tomatoes too, so yeah. That all that stuff I love goes together. Except the avocado by itself. I don't love that. But when you put all this other good stuff in there, man, it's good stuff. That is good stuff. Oh yeah. Starting to look good. Okay, we got a tomato. We're going to we'll take that off the vine there. Then I'm going to take this piece of the tomato and a little bit of salt here. Okay, let's open the salt first. And then we're going to salt this piece of this tomato. Good tomato. On here, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lime in half. Set it to the side. My mixing bowl. yeah. Oh, yeah. Just to give y'all some idea where we're at right now. Have a look at that. Oh yeah, it looks like a green blob mess. So, now then, no measuring. I just add salt. That's probably enough. And then we'll take some onion powder and add onion powder to it. Oh yeah. Alright, we'll take half a lime and we shall squeeze lime juice everywhere. Hand squeezed. We're almost done here. Okay, there's that one. Go ahead and get the rest of it in there. Oh, it's got lime juice running down my arm. Cool. Okay, give it a shot. Let me have a shot.
That's some money. That's some money. Right there. Brother Bart gets it out the park again.
And there you have homemade guacamole. I'm gonna keep talking. My mouth full and eating. That's perfect. All right. That's a wrap on the guacamole. Y'all come back.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.